How to remove Instagram profile notes. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. So the only possible way to remove Instagram profile notes is go back to home screen, uninstall this application, click on uninstall. Now open up your web browser, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram older versions. Now open up the first website. Now select the version of 3 or 4 months ago. Here I will choose December 11. Download the file and install the application, and your profile notes will be removed. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.